Hey everyone!
In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat account step by step. First, open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now tap the settings gear in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Account Actions section. Tap on Delete Account. Snapchat will ask you to enter your username and password again for security. Type them in and tap Continue. Your account will now be deactivated for 30 days. During this time, your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. After 30 days, Snapchat will permanently delete your account. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now on the way to being deleted. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Snapchat tips.